Hey guys, it's Ishan. In my previous video, I have shown my COVID-19 dashboard project. In that video, I have talked about 3 steps for any data visualization project with Tableau. In case you missed those steps in the previous video or you are not able to recall, then I have copied them here. These are the 3 steps. I'm not going to focus on step 2 and 3, but only on step 1. And in step 1 also I'm going to solely focus on connecting your dataset to Tableau. Now getting a static dataset for anything is like quite easy, but getting a live dataset which gets updated in regular intervals is cumbersome, or in simple words difficult. But to make your guys' life a bit easy, I have copied the dataset link, the COVID-19 dataset link, in the description box. You just have to click on that link and it will take you here. Now here also, you don't have to download this COVID-19 cases worldwide dataset, because this is a dataset according to this date, 5th of July. Now it may happen it will update tomorrow, so you have to download this again and copy it inside the Tableau and connect this to Tableau. Now it is like a very foolish or stupid act to do so, but we will not do that. We will simply copy this link sorry and we'll go to docs.google.com. Here you have to click on this hamburger icon, go to Sheets, click here, name your sheet. I will name it Corona Dataset. Now, like any Excel sheet, Google Sheets also consists of formulas to make your life easy, and that formula is to like load any live dataset or any static dataset using the datasets link is this, which I'm going to write here. Import data, close the parenthesis, inverted commas, inside inverted commas paste that link, and you're ready to go. Press enter. Now it will take some, after a minute or two it will be visible like this in this form. But wait, inside this date we have these integers and we want to change it. So to change it, simply click on this column and then change it to date, and it is now changed. So now you have to share this link. Got it. Add people and groups. Done. But I didn't copy it, so I will copy it here. Link is copied. Done. Now I will go to Tableau. Now I want to connect this Google Sheets dataset. Now believe me, once the data gets updated in regular intervals, it is visible in the Google Sheets data. So I don't have to copy this link inside my Tableau, but I have to copy this link inside my Tableau, this Google Sheets link. So what I will do, I will search here Google Sheets and I got it. I will sign into my Google Sheets account. Allow. And it is authenticated. It is now safe to close it. Again I will go to Tableau. I will paste that link here. Search. This is the dataset. Connect. It will take some time. It will look like this after a minute or two, but I want to change this name to Corona dataset, simple Corona dataset. This also I want to change. It is changed. I want these columns to be arranged in alphabetical order. For this, click this arrow and then click A to Z ascending. As we can see, the column names are arranged in alphabetical order, that is A to Z ascending. Now we have to select the connection type, live or extract. Now this is a different discussion topic. If I will discuss it in this video, then it will be like 25 minutes or half an hour long, and I don't want it. I can just give a rough data about it. If I will click live, which is by default clicked, then it will be slow, making dashboard will be slow. But if I will click on extract, then it will make the process of making dashboard a bit easy and a bit fast. So let's click it. Now click on this orange thing and save this wherever you want. So I will save this simply to my desktop. Corona dataset, save. Connecting to the, would you like to edit? Yes. And now my Tableau layout is ready to do visualization and to make dashboards. In the upcoming videos, we will make bar graphs, world map, create calculations, and in the ending, I will show you how to merge all individual elements and make your own dashboard.